Hi everyone, welcome to Suchitra's online reading session. Today we are going to venture into the sea world and it is great whales. I hope we all like to watch great whales. Whales are perfectly adapted to life at sea. In fact, they never come ashore unless beached by accident, when they usually die. Great whales differ from toothed whales such as dolphins and porpoises because they have comb like baleen in their mouths for filter feeding. Great whales were once hunted in huge numbers for their meat, fat, oil, and baleen. The slaughter drove some species almost to extinction. Laws now prevent them from being killed in large numbers, and most whale populations are slowly recovering. Great whales show complicated behavior and communicate with a wide variety of sounds and calls. Baleen whales have huge and very unusual mouths. Their jaws lack teeth. Instead, the mouth contains a row of baleen plates. These are strap-like or curtain-like structures that hang down from the roof of the mouth. They have fringed edges like brushes or combs. They work as filters to sieve the small animals of the plankton from the water. Humpback whales open their vast mouths and swim up to the surface, trapping small animals inside. These vast animals feed in different ways. Right whales cruise along with their mouths open at the surface. Blue and humpback whales take a massive mouthful of sea water, then press the huge tongue upwards inside the mouth to force the water out through the baleen plates. The grey whale grubs in the mud of the seabed and does the same. In all of these whales, food items such as krill and small fish get trapped in the combs or bristles of the baleen, which are tough and springy like plastic. The whale then licks the food off the baleen plates and swallows it. Grey whales feed mainly in the shallow coastal waters of the Arctic between North America and Asia. When the whale has a mouthful of food, it surfaces to strain off the water, swallows its meal, and dives for another load. The largest animal that ever lived on Earth is the blue whale. An adult female blue whale can measure more than 30 meters long, weigh over 150 tons, and eat 4 tons of krill each day. I hope you found this episode very interesting about the great whales. We will see more creatures and animals that are living under the water in the future episodes. See you. Thank you. Bye bye.